isolation. It's way too complicated. Stop this conversation. Stop this conversation. We got no relation.
All right, chat. Bro, happy Monday, dude. Huh? Chat, happy Monday. How you guys doing, man? Hope you guys had a good weekend. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend. It's time to get to the money, chat. It really is. It really is time to get to the money, bro. You know what I mean? All right, Paul, what's up? How you doing? We got D Nice. What up, D Nice? Real. What up? Nasdaq fall 1%. Nasdaq hurting. Holy. Nasdaq's in a little bit of pain. Eager to get some good trades this week. Yes, sir, baby. Holy. Trader 007, what's up? Trader's Nest, good morning. Holy. Chat, it's time to make some money, bro. We got some money to make, chat. And I don't want to hear anything about it, bro. I don't want to hear anything else about it. We got some money to make. We got some money to make, chat. Nasdaq's been selling off a little bit. Down a little. She's down a little bit. But we'll see what happens. We'll see if we catch a little buy up from down here. We did run this nice little level here on the 15-minute. So we'll see what happens there if we do end up running that or not. Or if we bounce off that, bounce from it after running it. Since we already ran it. Nasdaq's trying to catch a little bit of a buy from that level. We'll see if it holds though. I don't know. Nasdaq's a little bit weak today. A little bit weak. Are you going on Ninja Trader Tradeify? I'll be on Ninja Trader right now. I'll be on Ninja Trader on Thursday afternoon and then Tradeify tomorrow morning. And we'll be on my channel for now, on my channel the rest of the days. Mario, what up? Market Maker Mario's in the building, baby. Holy. All right, is Nasdaq gonna get weak today, chat? What are we gonna do? Is Nasdaq gonna get weak today? Nice little sell-off. We did run a nice little level at 25,000 here. We'll see if Nasdaq wants to catch a bid off this 25,000 area. So far, she's struggling a little bit. Miss K, what up? Pactoon Trades, good morning. Good morning to you all. Inside bar open should be interesting, yeah. We'll see. See how the Nas is feeling. Chat, what'd you guys do this weekend, man? What were the weekend plans? Talk to me. What'd you guys do over the weekend? Nasdaq continuing to sell here. 25,000s, man. Are we going to stay above it or are we going to dip below? What's it going to be, chat? What's it going to be? Chat, what are you guys saying? Do you think we stay below 25,000 today? Or are we going to stay above it? Waiting 24,600. Holy. Holy. Nasdaq so far trying to hold that level down there. Send me a DM. Let me go take a little peek. Ooh, let's go. Hold on. Black belts. Wait a minute. Remind me not to mess with your kids, man. Holy. Mario got 2 black belts in the family. Don't mess with the Mario family. Holy. Mario fam not to be messed with. Nasdaq catching some buyers off this level here. It's a pretty interesting buy. Pretty interesting buy here. Chat, I'm gonna be honest, bro. I really need to learn Spanish. Like, I've been saying this for some time, and I know Ismail. He's in the community. He's gonna be helping me. I got somebody else helping me as well. Like, chat, I need to learn Spanish. I went to a bar this weekend with some friends. My wife and I, we stepped out of the house this weekend. Went to a bar with some friends, and we went to this place called Oxo. It's all like Hispanic, Latina like bar. I mean, it's that's all it is. And let me tell you, that place is a good time, bro. It's a good time. But again, I found myself in a scenario where I need Spanish. Chat, as of lately, I've been finding myself in positions where I needed Spanish more than anything, right? So I'm dedicating all of the rest of this year and next year to just learning Spanish. The rest of this year and next year, we are just diving in, bro. We're doing it. We are going to be bilingual next year. And I'm going to be yelling at all of you in Spanish. Every single one of you, I'm yelling at you all. Hope y'all are okay with that. Buenos dias, Bielka. You grew up getting yelled at in Spanish? Hey, listen. It is what it is, you know what I mean? Then Zen, good morning. Oh wait, hang on, chat. I need to do something real quick. 1 second. 1 second. The heck is happening, bro? Chat, my Tradeovate's frozen. I'm trying to log in, but it keeps freezing every time I log in. Hello? Might need to clear my cache. Hang on. See if I can get trade evade unfrozen here. Wow, Nasdaq really selling here. Okay, here we go. There we go. Got it. All right, now I can drag it over. I don't like having tech issues on a Monday, chat. Holy. We don't like tech issues on a Monday, baby. Golly. Business lens. Race? No. No races. That's something just to hold a short unopened, but let me that one chat. Yeah. Nasdaq's feeling a little bit weak. Chat, we got Nvidia earnings this week, don't we? Isn't it Wednesday? Yeah. Nvidia. All eyes are going to be on Nvidia this week, baby. All eyes are going to be on Nvidia. No real news today. Trump speaks later today. We got a couple of Fed members speaking. That's really it, though. That's really it. Chat, market's open, baby. Good luck. Market is open for business. Thursday's gonna be a volatile day. Yeah, it is. Thursday's definitely gonna be a volatile day. Mario, if you're in that short on the open, baby, holy. Did you do it? Did you do it, Mario? Huh? Did you? Did you? Did you do it? Let's see, what's hold on. Last week's low. Is that here? Yeah. So last week's low. $633. A bit of buyers coming in. Big old buy ski, holy. Look out, bro. Big old buy. Mario, I hope you didn't. I hope you didn't go short. Golly. Oh, you took the snipe. Okay, so you did get it. Okay, sweet. Good job. Chat, we're gonna start off Monday here on a great note. I'm gonna turn off ads for you guys. I just turned ads off, so you guys shouldn't get any ads all stream. Now, if y'all start acting out and acting a fool and causing a scene, chat, y'all can start causing a scene. I'm gonna turn the ads back on. Was that before I could even move my stop? Oh, jeez. Holy. Holy. Wow, Nasdaq really buying here. Coming up to the previous session's close. Nasdaq really buying. Oh, what the heck, bro? All right. Nasdaq catching a buy above the previous session's close. We do have previous week's low, which was on Friday, which was an incredible buy up after that. I mean, we swept the previous week's low of that and bought from there like 600 points, but the previous week's low is down there. Whether we get down there or not, I don't know, but that was a crazy buy up there on Friday to get us back above 25,000. So I almost wonder if we hold 25,000s today as well and just catch a buy up. Seems like the Nasdaq wants to stay above that 25,000 level. What's up, Johnny? But yeah, 25K is a pivot, a major one, yeah. Do you normally focus on more? Do you normally focus on more on bigger stocks like S&P? Hit some smaller ones. Well, I wasn't sure that's too risky to play. I trade futures, so I'm trading futures right now. I usually for stocks, I swing trade stocks. I don't day trade them. Things like big tech, like Amazon, Google, Tesla, things like that. Like I swing trade those, but I day trade futures. So futures contracts on the Nasdaq or S&P or gold. I'm usually intraday trading those. Man, look at this buy up, dude. Right back to VWAP. Don't do what you did. Yeah, don't. No. Mario, no. Yeah. But Johnny, yeah, no, I trade Johnny boy. I trade futures, Nasdaq contracts, E-minis or micros. This buy-up's insane, bro. This buy-up is insane. That was a DJ move. Wanted to wake up. That listen, if you haven't had your morning coffee, just short the open. that will definitely wake you up. Holy. Nice open, yeah. Yeah, we've had some interesting movement. Very interesting. I mean, the Nasdaq just is just a non-stop bid right now. We bought from that low like 200 points already. Crazy. Nasdaq catching a non-stop bid. And it just keeps going. Look at this 15-minute candle. It just keeps on going. 229 points. We have the previous session's high at 293. Almost wonder if we get up there. This was a nice move, especially after sweeping this here. Sweeping this, dipping back below 25,000s, and just ripping out of it again. I mean, that's crazy. Absolute ripski, chat. Holy. Pulling back a little bit. Come back below VWAP there. Apple 15-minute, Amazon decided, nah, let's drop on the open facts. Technically, if I looked at the top 6 of YM, I would have gone long, but I was busy being an NQ degen. Aren't we all NQ degens though? Aren't we all? I feel like every single one of us are NQ degens. We all love our quick dopamine hit, you know? We all love the quick dopamine hit. You don't really need caffeine in the morning. All you got to do is just full pour the NQ on open, and that'll wake you up. And here goes the Nasdaq continuing its rip. It's getting a little interesting up here above VWAP. I don't want to step in front of a train, but I also know that the NQ was feeling a little bit weak. So I want to watch it. See what happens, because if we start to get weak again, I mean, you know, it could really just start to gain momentum, since we were already weak on pretty much coming into the open. Interesting sell back below VWAP there too. Interesting sell back below VWAP, chat. But buying right back up. Chat. What do we think? I don't really want to step in front of a train right now. I mean, this thing has been ripping, so I'm not going to step in front of it, but I am going to watch for some sort of weakness. Freight train, yeah. Buying up, possibly going back to the highs here. Possibly going back to the highs. You're watching ES at the moment, yeah. NQ is just on a straight, I mean, just ripped to the upside. It's interesting. I'm trying to see like what levels make sense for us to ride up to here. I mean, there's always previous session high 294 that we could see. Looking like it might potentially go up there. We're about 74 points off. But also that 364 level looks pretty enticing too. Actually, what is that? 361. 361 looks pretty enticing, chat. Just in these 200s. Nasdaq continuing its move higher here, just constantly making new highs. Session flow. Chat, anybody long in this? Is anybody ride this long? Been an MES long since 742. Nice. Man, what a rip. And it just keeps on going. $244 resistance. I don't think there's much. I feel like the Nasdaq's wanting to smash through any resistance right now. Just absolutely smack through it all. I mean, she is moving and grooving. Yeah, it just keeps going. Straight up orb doesn't matter. I mean, it is straight up. It is 100% straight up. Which is interesting. I really wasn't expecting this big of a move up on NQ. It's very interesting. I mean, it's just like there's just no pullbacks. It's all just straight up.
Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start looking as a lost control.
Trying to pull back a little bit here. We have a huge range. Almost a 300-point range so far on the IB, which is pretty incredible. I mean, that just shows how strong this move is. Redneck. Good morning. Good morning. Nasdaq possibly looking to continue its rip here. We'll see. Again, really, at this point, I mean, eyeballing previous sessions high. Seeing if we get up there, see how we react at that point. Maybe we find a good trade opportunity when we get there. But so far, there's no pullbacks on this for me to really be like, yo, let's get along. It's just a train that's just been on this just straight move. Now is that making a new high here? Mostly short covering, I think, with no pullbacks. And we just got below a key level. I mean, we ran this nice 15-minute wick, got below 25,000 and saw buying. I mean, look what happened when last time we got below 25K. We ripped all the way back up. So it's just, oh, here's an interesting pullback. G-Man, good morning. Rasmus, what up? Forgot to turn on my copy trader. One account is at daily profit and the others are sitting empty. Oh no. Oh no. I've been there plenty of times, bro. Plenty of times. Holy. I've been there plenty of times. I've even gotten to a payout before on one account thinking I got it on all five. Nope. Then didn't turn the copier on. Been there, done it, baby. Holy Vincent. 2-hour duck race? Not today. Holy, that was an insane day to have a 2-hour duck race. No, what did we do? 1 hour? We did 1 hour. We ain't doing a 2-hour one, that's for sure. Ain't no way. There's no shot, bro. No shot. DCA, Gang Master. Good morning. I think we're gonna stick to the two-minute duck races. I don't think we're gonna do another hour one. It was fun to do one of them though. Nasdaq seeing a little bit of a pullback. 24-hour when you do an all-night stream. Holy, imagine. A 24-hour duck race, bro. Holy. That would be insane. Did a 1 hour. Yeah, we was it Friday? Yeah, Friday, I think. We did a 1 hour duck race. And it was for a 50K straight defunded account. Who won? Who was the one? Dwayne? I think it was Dwayne. All right, Nasdaq flirting with these 200 levels here. Getting a little bit weak up here. Possibly coming back down to VWAP. Possibly coming to the VWAP ski. I'm leaning more towards longs business lens, but I really want VWAP to come into play first. I don't want to long up here. I want to see something happen around VWAP. Chat, imagine we just retrace all of this. How insane that would be. We did go down and almost touch a VWAP there. I'd like to see more of a VWAP, maybe even run VWAP and then buy back above it. Feels very choppy here. Coming down to VWAP. See if we get a run of VWAP and then a buyback above it. At that point, I would like to get the longs. We got to watch out for the 140s here. Here come those 140s. Oh, this is getting... Uh-oh. Ruh-roh. All right, we're gonna take 3 micros long here. Run of those 40s, see if we buy back to VWAP. But if this thing starts to get aggressive too quickly, I'm getting out of it. Which is getting aggressive, which I'm not a fan of here. Maybe I shouldn't have said, well, what if we retrace this? Because it's kind of looking like it wants to. Holy. Watching closely here, though. Very light position, chat. Very light. We're only 3 micros. Very, very light. I want to see it move back above VWAP here. Move back above the VWAP ski. Tried there. Watching closely here. I don't like how it's struggling. Really want to see the push. Really want to see the push. I don't love that. That's a steep reject off that VWAP there. Steep rejection. I don't love it. And give it a little bit of room, but we're not going to give it much more. Not going to give it much more here. Yeah. All right. Well, looks like we're getting weak, chat. Things looking like it's one to reverse that whole move. It's wild. I mean, sellers are just smoking the Inky right now. Sellers are absolutely smoking the NQ. I'm glad we only took 3 micros on that. It was a little starter position to see if we can get back above VWAP. Sizing up on that could have been pretty bad. Pretty bad. Right back to below previous sessions close there. Not fantastic. Sellers just being really resilient here. See if buyers can get a little push. They're trying. Back above previous day's close. Took an orb breakdown on ES. Nice. Back to your old school trades. Holy, you love revisiting the old school trades, baby. I never actually really traded orb though. I was never an orb trader. I mean, I think I did. I think I've taken like a few trades on orb, but I've not really like traded orb that much. This, look at this buy up, dude. Wow. Wow. Big buys. Used it for 3 years. I've always just been for futures, I've always been an initial balance trader. I mean, before that, I really didn't really have a strategy. And trading the initial balance is what made me profitable. Is that volume profile and point of control? What do you mean? On my chart? This is previous days close. Oh, IB. No, initial balance is the first hour of the trading session. So it's the high and low of the first hour. That's what you see in this blue box here. All right, this big blue area. That's the high and low of the first hour. IB was the big turning point in my trading for futures. I swing traded stocks profitably, but for futures, IB was my turning point. I feel trading is random. Nothing works and everything works sometimes. It's educated speculation is what it is. You call it the big brother of Orb, yeah. Yeah, it's it can be treated the same, basically. I mean, you traded the exact same. All right, Nasdaq trying to get back to VWAP here. Can it get back? It'll chop around VWAP. It wouldn't surprise me. I wouldn't be surprised to see it chop around tomorrow, just given the fact that the entire market's waiting on Nvidia earnings. It's definitely choppy here, though. A lot of indecision. Lots of indecision. It's like buyers are trying to get us back to VWAP, but sellers, again, just stepping in, being very resilient here. Persistent selling is what it is. Some more sellers stepping in here. See if we go back down and run that at 60 level. I don't know. A lot of sellers. It seems like buyers like are like it's just a tug of war here. I mean, it really is a tug of war. A lot of indecision, a lot of battles back and forth. Very tough. Nasdaq trying to come back down here. Back below previous day's close. I mean, it almost feels like Nasdaq is going to try to give up. It's like, I don't know. It's like, is it going to give up 25,000 shot? Are we going to give it up? Possibly come back down to these 60s here. Getting pretty weak. Pretty weak. Running those 60s. Sellers potentially running us all the way back down, chat. I mean, it's getting pretty dicey. Nice little buy up after running 60s there. Nice buy up after running 60s. See if it holds or if we continue to sell. Hit PT for the day. Nice. GG's, baby. Love that. Always love a good day when you hit PTs. Always a good day. Wow, what a buy. Sheesh. What an absolute buy. Chat, this market's dicey, bro. I don't like it. I really don't. I don't like it at all. What up, Mr. Bond? I don't like it, chat. Nasdaq's trying to catch just an ultimate bid here. Potentially going back to VWAP. Of course, I said that earlier and it didn't. See if buyers hold us. I'm really watching the like 144 area. If we can get up there. See how we can, if we see an opportunity up there at 144s. Chat, y'all think this is gonna keep buying? Right back to previous day close. Is it going to go back down and run the 60s? Sellers trying to come in back aggressive. We'll see if they hold. And buying back above 100. That previous day close is a big chop zone. Big chop zone. Choppy chop. Buyers really trying to hold these hundreds. I mean, previous day close has been kind of like a, almost feels like a line in the sand. Because I mean, if you look at it, we've been really just chopping it. We've been chopping previous day close. Buyers so far trying to hold this. Nice buy back up after seeing that selling. I mean, VWAP maybe at this point. Of course, I've said that twice now. Literally, I've said VWAP twice. Nice buy. Okay, there's VWAP. How do we reject VWAP and come back down? NTZ for you? What do you mean? What's that mean? No touch zone? No trade zone? Okay, yeah. I gotta fix my computer, chat. Hang on. What is happening with my... computer monitor is all like jacked up, bro. All right. Rain share is probably having a ball. Facts, dude. Facts. Oh my. Oh my. That's a steep rejection right there. Steep rejection. Bring it on down, chat. Bring it on down, baby. Bring it on down. What a rejection, dog. Holy. I mean, just sink it. Bro, is Nasdaq about to go run these 50s? They want to test 25 again? I know, that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. 25s. Watching it closely here. I mean, I'm thinking about shorts, chat. I'm thinking about shorts here. But we're so far down, though. I just don't know if I want to risk that yet. I just don't know if it's worth the risk being down here. Hmm. You'll buy below 25,000? Probably not a bad idea. I mean, as long as we find strength up below it and hold. I'm trying to see if sellers are gonna hold this or not. I don't know, chat. I'm very sketched out by the PA. I don't like this move down after with such the big buy up that we had earlier. Just not a huge fan of it. We took one trade earlier that was a loser. We only took it on 3 micros. See, it's like this buy up here that this is why, chat. This is why I'm so sketched out by it. It's just, I don't know. I don't like this level that we're at from previous days close because we've seen so much of a tug of war at it. All right, Redneck. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you, big dog. Seller's trying to run back to that low. You're going with Mario's no trade zone? Yes, trust me, I'm leaning towards the same. Like I want the shorts, but at the same time too, I'm very sketched out by this. Why market is falling? Why is the market falling? I mean, there really isn't. We're not really falling, I would say. We're kind of just chopping around, consolidating. But I wouldn't say we're falling. I would like it to go run these lows. I mean, these lows right here. Can we just get below that? I mean, just get out of this chop here. That's what I want to see happen. Get below the chop. We need to get out of it. Again, just this previous day's close, like hovering above it, below it, above it, below it. It's just like, can we get away from it, bro? It's a chop fest, chat. An absolute chop fest. Trading back above 80s here. I mean, for the love of God, bro. Get us out of it, chat. Somebody go sling like 100 contracts. Somebody go sling 100 contracts. Get us out of this. Who got it, bro? Who has it? Not financial advice. No, it is not. 100% not financial advice. And we're still holding this 50s level. Just won't drop. Drop it. For the love of God, get us out. Oh my God, what a buy. Bro. Putting 500 contracts on NQ at 25,020. Holy. Not financial advice. Don't recommend it. Definitely do not recommend it. Chat, what do we got to do, bro? What do we got to do to get out of this chop zone? Anybody? Anybody got the solution? Wow, what a attempt to go to VWAP and then just an absolute sell. Run a 24-hour duck race without an account? Holy. Run a duck race just for fun? No, I feel like that's a tease, bro. I can't tease you guys. I feel like that would just be teasing y'all. I don't want to do that to you guys, bro. Come on, buyers. Let's get above VWAP. Sellers gave up. Let's just run it to VWAP at this point. Let's get above it. And just do something, right? Let's go be somebody, Nasdaq. For the love of God. Come on, buyers. Look at the 15, dude. It's disgusting. Like, that's just gross. Absolutely gross. Come on, buyers. Back above VWAP here. Back above VWAP, buyers. Come on. Oh my God. Just go. Just go. Wow. Just can't do it. All streamers all giving away accounts, but it's just a form filling a random name picker over here participating in duck race more enjoyable. Yeah, duck races are a lot more fun. Duck races are a lot more fun. Right back to previous days close, bro. How annoying is this shit? Dude, if this thing runs it all the way back down, chat. If this thing runs it all the way back down, bro. All the way back down. I swear if we do it. We're right back at previous day's close. I mean, it's previous day's close that we've just been hovering at this entire time. Like, I just want to get away from previous day's close. Like, I want to get out of this shit, bro. This is just disgusting. What the fuck is this, bro? Chat, somebody explain this to me. Somebody explain it. Who's got the explanation? Range shorting. You're not touching this? Yeah, I'm not. I just can't. Like, I want a long, I want a short. I'm so flip-flopped on this PA chat that I just don't even want to touch it. I just don't even want to touch it. I am so flip-flopped on all this. Later, Miss K. Love you. I'm saying that a YOLO and eval and rejection. That's what happens when you're bored. Yeah, I hear you. YOLO the eval, baby. Holy. YOLO the eval. I only trade Tradify accounts? No, I trade a personal account too. Today I'm only trading my Tradify accounts. I'm not touching my personal account in this. Maybe later if we get some better PA. But right now I'm not trading my personal account. Only my Tradify accounts. Someone call Trump, please, bro. Please. Somebody get a hold of Trump and have him do something. See if sellers can bring us down, get us out of this. Beloved God, please do. Please get us out of this BS. Like they just can't run those 50s for whatever reason. We can't run the 50s and we can't get back above VWAP. The only thing we can do is stay right here at previous day's close. That's the only thing we can do. Chat, are we gonna get out of it? That's incredible. That's actually just incredible. Right back to previous day's close. Golly. Chat, if y'all are trading this, what are you even doing, bro? Please don't trade this. Unless you're just like shorting VWAP and longing down here, don't trade this. Especially don't take trades in the middle. Like, this is horrible, bro. The 15-minute chat, look at the candles. Look at this 15-minute. Look at how dirty that is. All right, maybe we break down now. Oh my God, we did it. We were in 50s. We freaking did it, bro. Send it back down. Now range shares got trapped, yes. But also too, it's like, are we gonna come down or are we gonna go back to the range? You know what I mean? 24,600. Holy shit. That would be a mega dump, bro. Don't go back into the range now. Trish says, I'm done for the day. Probably smart, to be honest. Because this shit. Horrible. Like, actually. I haven't seen this in a while. Yeah, it's pretty much ever since like 9 Central this morning. It's been pretty bad. We got a nice rip out of the open, saw a hefty pullback, and then it's consolidated ever since. I mean, we've been consolidating for, was that 9? So an hour. I used to trade this shit. That's why I blew up accounts. Yep. Facts. Guaranteed there was people that blew up during that. Still looks like it wants to roll. If you look at like the 5 minute, it still looks pretty rolly. I mean, 5 minute looks like we could come down for sure. This is disgusting, but now that we've broken out of that, we're looking pretty rolly here. It looks pretty good. We're coming down to 25,000s. Coming back down to 25Ks. All right, here comes a break of 25,000, chat. All right, there's 25,000. YM break. YM moving. Let's take a look. Yeah, YM. YM, nice break below the low there. What's gold doing? I haven't even looked at gold. Gold is selling. Gold has a nice level down there in the low 4,000s, 4,030s. We can break that 52, come down to the 30s there. Gold catching some nice selling. Nasdaq still trying to roll down. We're kind of hovering 25Ks, which, I mean, I would love to see this low get taken, bro. I really would. I would love to see the low get taken. The chop is real, chat. Chop is real. So far, I think we're chop until we break this low. I have no other bias until we break that low. For now, it's just chop. ES came and tested IB low. Let's take a look. Yes. Oh yeah. ES did test IB low there. Barely broke it, like by a tick. By a literal tick. You took the YM break? Nice. Tug of war at 25K here. Absolute tug of war. Sellers trying to pick up. Where am I from? Missouri. Where are you from? Come to Turkey, we can fix the baldness. Yo, I might. I actually might. You'll sponsor the fix? I've considered it. I have actually considered it. I got some good donor hair, bro. The back of my head, it's nice and thick. The problem is I got such a huge bald spot up here. $25K break, yeah. I really want to see us run these lows. I want these lows to get taken. Badly. Congrats, Bo. Let's go. What account size are you and what's your balance? $50K account balance is at 1,378. Wait. What do you mean? Are you Oh wait, are you're trading with Top Step, aren't you? You trade Top Step? Yeah, I would build that balance up. What I would do, Bo, is I would try to trade it to like 3K. I mean, obviously, like you want to take a payout whenever you can, but 1,000, but like 1,300 is not much. And once you take a payout, your buffer then goes to 0, right? So you can't, like, you're gonna leave yourself very little room. I would get to 3,000 and then take like maybe $1,000. What is your time interval with TradeFi payout withdrawals? What do you mean time interval? Like, do you mean how long it takes me to get to a payout, or how long it takes for them to pay you when you request? What do you mean by time interval? Nice break, initial balance on NQ there. What's ES doing? Is ES still following through? Yep, ES still following through. Wow, YM really selling off. ES still getting follow through below initial balance there. I'm gonna hold off. Payout gap. Oh, it's usually like every 2 weeks or so. 2 to 3 weeks. Exactly, Bo. Dude, Mario, yeah, that was an incredible short. Incredible short. Nasdaq trying to catch a bid off initial balance low there. I don't know if it holds. It's been very, very weak. Just, I know you're not a bot. I don't think you are. I knew your name was not. But there are some alt accounts that people use. They use like different YouTube accounts for like their races and stuff. Chat, we've taken this on these TradeFi accounts. We've just taken that one trade short there and or long, and we got beat on it. I haven't taken anything on the TradeFi accounts since, so honestly, I might just lock it up, dude. I really might. I might just lock it up. This is some nasty PA. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Nasdaq just selling. Breaking those lows down there. Buyers trying to hold us, but sellers are just too strong, man. Too strong. Some nasty PA. I hope you guys trade safe because this has been a brutal day. I'm sure there's been a lot of people blow up today. I hope you guys were not one of them. This was definitely a day where blowing up would have been easy. Easy to do. So I hope you guys were safe and did not blow up. Nasdaq trying to find some buyers down here in the 60s. We'll see if they can find a bid after running the lows like that, running initial balance low. I don't know. I'm not overly confident in it. I'm not overly confident in today's PA in general, to be honest. Not overly confident in it, chat. Buyers trying to find some legs here. Nice buying. It's pretty solid buying off initial balance low there. Chat, I think it's a spot where we lock it up, bro. We took 1L on stream today. Ain't duck race, not today. All eyes are on Nvidia on Wednesday, chat. All eyes on Nvidia on Wednesday. We'll be back this afternoon, though. We will be back this afternoon. We'll see if I take it. Maybe we have a long opportunity down here on initial balance low. I'm not sold on it yet. I want to see more confirmation, but I'll be watching it the rest, kind of like mid-morning, whatever, into the lunch hour and see if we get anything. But I am going to lock it up on that. There's nothing for me to take here. We took 1L on stream today, and I'm going to take that on the chin and just call it a day, baby. Holy. Chat, if you trade this, be safe. We will be back live later today, chat. We'll be back live later today, so stay tuned. I'll see you guys later on.